Katie.
And I'm Will.
Welcome back to Making Waves. Today we thought we would try something a little bit fun, and we thought we would do a trivia show. So, well, we don't really have a name for this segment, so I thought I would throw a couple at you and get your opinion. So, do we want to call this Cruising Conundrums or Trivia on Deck?
I like Trivia on Deck.
All right.
It has a better ring to it.
Trivia on Deck it is. So welcome to the first episode of Trivia on Deck. Since we've most recently cruised on celebrity cruises, we thought we would focus on celebrity cruise trivia. We've each come up with some questions.
Yep.
There's also a punishment element to this trivia game. So if we get a question wrong, we each have a punishment. It's going to be a food-related punishment.
See, the problem already off top is I'm a very picky eater.
He said it, not me.
And I didn't want to punish her too bad because, you know, I'm a good guy and all. But she's going to punish me big time. So,
well, let's just say when it came to food punishment, the menu was quite large as to what I could choose for Will. So what I chose for him today, you can hold it up if you want to, is wonderfully sauteed mushrooms with garlic and some chopped tomatoes.
I just threw up in my mouth.
So that is his punishment if he gets any of the questions wrong.
Yeah.
So I'm not a picky eater at all. There's not too much I won't eat. But one thing I don't really enjoy is being in pain while I'm eating. I think food and eating should be pleasurable.
So salsa is her punishment.
Hot salsa for me.
I wanted to go with Flamin' Hot Doritos, but
that would have been punishment.
I would have been punished later on tonight because she probably would have been in that bathroom.
Well, thanks for sharing.
I'm just joking. But yeah, so I didn't want to go too hard on her. So some salsa.
Trust me, it will be hard enough.
Yeah.
It will be hard enough. We each came up with 5. Actually, I think we came up with 6 questions in case we have any duplicates. But the intent is to ask 5 questions. And so we hope you find this interesting, and we'll get started.
So, Miss Katie, you can start with the first question. Ladies first.
So, in old school fashion, I wrote my questions down on note cards.
In new school fashion, I got all mine on the phone.
And I have to hold them out to here to read them. In the words of my dad, getting old ain't for sissies.
I guess.
All right, so your first question is, I'm starting with a softball.
Okay.
What is the name of Celebrity's loyalty program for repeat cruisers?
Oh, man. I don't know why I'm drawing a blank right now.
I'm seeing mushrooms in your future.
Do we have a time limit?
Yeah, I mean, people don't want to watch forever and ever.
Well, we can cut this out until I get it, too.
Okay, I'm going to say you've got 10 seconds.
What is it called? Captain's Club.
Oh, in the nick of time.
Yeah, Captain's Club. Yeah, I had to think about it. I kept thinking about, I don't know, like fast food, like rewards and stuff. Like, this is the mind of a fat guy right here. Anyway, no mushrooms right now, at least.
Yeah, well, you had plenty of time to come up with that.
All right. So your question is, Miss Katie, how many cruise ships are in Celebrity's fleet?
Oh boy, does this include like all their small expeditions?
No, just the main classes. See, Google works wonders. Those are the first things
I gotta go think about it.
So do you get 10 seconds?
Yes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5,
I'm saying 10.
4. That's your final answer?
That's my final answer.
15. Oh boy, I'm sorry, baby. I really do feel bad making her do this because I know she's not.
I'm having chips with the salsa.
Well, I mean, do I get to add something to these mushrooms, these nasty tomatoes?
Yeah, they're delicious.
Ugh.
Is this enough salsa for your
That's a little bit too much. You don't have to get that much. That's a lot.
Don't get that
much. All right.
Oh, hot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You got your water? You need some milk? She needs some milk.
He needs some milk.
You're gonna make me. Water is not the thing you're supposed to do, but
Got me sweating already.
oh yeah, mouth is on fire.
I'm sorry, man. I feel bad. Because I'm not eating that much of those mushrooms.
Oh,
I might eat more of that tomato, but I'm not eating all of that.
Well, we'll see how many questions
You want me to throw up on camera for everybody? Is that what that happened? I feel bad. She ate that hot stuff.
The nasal passages are opened up.
Man.
Maybe I sound slightly less nasally than I
She
normally
gonna turn
do.
the same color as her hair in a little bit. I hope not.
Well, give me easy questions from here on out.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna try. We'll see. I'm ready.
What is the name of Celebrity's sweet class experience?
The retreat.
I'm giving you softballs, man.
Bing!
Softballs.
No mushrooms for me. All right. So, Catherine, what unique feature does Celebrity offer over other cruise lines? What is a feature on their ships? I'll give you an easier example.
Okay.
On the Lido deck or top deck, what is the
On
unique?
every ship or just a certain class of ships?
A certain, well, I think the newer ones have it too, but it's a unique feature.
I mean, if it's the Solstice class ships, I would say a lawn, a real grass.
She got it. That was it. That was the unique feature. Celebrity has grass, actual grass on their ships. I mean, it's a cool feature, but, you know, it's nice. Some people just lay out and have a little picnic with it.
All right. Ready for your next question?
These tomatoes, this already make my eyes water. I just don't want to eat these.
I'm giving you all easy questions, in my opinion.
Okay.
All right. We know that Captain Kate made history as the first American female captain of a mega cruise ship. What is her last name?
Oh, man. That's hard. Why would I know her name? I just know it's Captain Kate. Is it McKinney?
Tomatoes or mushrooms, please, sir. It is McHugh.
I was close. I should get that.
No,
I said McKinney. It's McHugh.
it's McHugh. Well, she doesn't go by Kate McKinney. Would you like mushrooms, tomatoes, or could I interest you in a bite of each?
Tomatoes. I'm just a little bit.
You have to eat at least one. You can't cut it in half or anything already. You took the smallest bite there.
I need a drink too. Gotta get a Coke Zero or something. Ugh.
Yummy, delicious, and good for you.
Hate tomatoes. And mushrooms are like fake protein. Like it wants to be a meat with the texture.
Delicious.
No, it's just synthetic nastiness. All right. So I gotta think of yours. Okay. Here's your question. What major brand is associated with Celebrity? It's a major, massive brand.
Well, I feel like that could be answered a few ways and still be right.
Well, this one in particular, I don't want to give you too much, but
I mean, they're associated with Daniel Boulud, the chef, and that's his whole brand, right? Daniel Boulud.
is that your final answer, ma'am?
Well, it's right. Whether or not that's
That's not what I'm looking for, but is that your final answer?
major brand. These are hot.
I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
Royal Caribbean.
1. No, it's Apple. The
The
Islands.
Lounge.
Yeah. Apple. We use them every day. It's a major, massive brand. So sorry.
Dirty talk.
Sorry, señorita.
Okay, here goes.
The thing is, I don't like tomatoes, but I'll eat salsa all day. Don't get a lot, because I don't want to punish you too bad. And make sure you drink some water immediately. She's low-key mad, though.
Tough.
I can see it in her eyes. She's like, really, like, oh.
Wow.
She's super competitive, like in everything. So, So, yeah.
See the flames coming out.
I mean, it's not ghost pepper. Ghost peppers are. Ugh. All right. You okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Are you okay for real though?
Yeah, I can breathe.
Okay.
Breathe much better.
Are you okay?
Okay, yeah.
You scared me a little bit. All right.
I'm tough like that.
Okay.
Spit this question out.
Woosah. Yeah.
All right, so since my last question was about Captain Kate, I have a follow-up to that. What is the name of Captain Kate's cat
I knew it was
who
coming.
cruises with her?
I knew it was coming.
One.
It's one of those hairless cats. Mr. Wiggles?
That's what you say.
Mr. Wiggles. Mr. Slippery?
Incorrect. Mushrooms for you, sir.
I told her she could pick the next one I eat.
It's bug naked.
Bug?
Naked.
Bug naked?
Bug naked. If you just said bug, I would have accepted that too.
Do I have to?
No, cutting it now. Deliciousness.
Oh, God.
So good.
It's just the texture, everything.
Mushrooms are so good.
They're so disgusting.
It's time you had a little pain inflicted. I've gone 0 for 2.
I'm not even gonna chew it the next time. I'm just swallow. The texture is just so deceiving. It's like it wants to be meat, and then your mind realizes it's not, and it's just my mind gets upset. It is disgusting. Truly, it's nothing that you did. It's just it being created. It's just disgusting.
You should have known. I was going to ask if I can ask an animal question. I'm going to.
Ugh.
Should have been expecting that one.
Who is the founder of Celebrity Cruises?
I have no idea. I truly, I mean,
I'll give you a hint. It's not one individual.
it's Royal Caribbean Group, but is that the question? Is that the answer?
It is Greece-based Sandris Group.
Who would know that? Well, I'm sure
This was a trivia.
I'm sure there are people who know that.
They probably do. It's a lot of.
Sandris Group, man, I am 0 for 3. Going back from
just you don't have to do a lot. What number was that? 4?
That was, I think, 3.
That was 4.
Hang on, I just broke a chip. Broke the salsa.
Just don't eat a lot of it. Jeez.
Man, I can't believe
I don't even know who's winning because neither one of us are
because
winning.
I've not answered a single one of your questions.
I think you did. Didn't you?
No.
I don't know. We'll have to review the
My
footage.
throat and my lungs and my nasal cavities say I did not. So, last question from me, right?
Yes, I believe.
What is Celebrity's oldest ship in operation?
Jeez. Oh man. Can I have a hint? Is it located in North America?
Yes.
Is it the Millennium?
Bonus points if you get the year that she her inaugural sail.
2000? I mean,
Millennium 2000.
I mean, because the Millennium was 2000.
I
So
think I get a bonus question.
I won already. So anyway,
All right.
she does. You don't have to eat any more
I
of
will.
that.
Listen, I'm a trooper. I'm hanging in there till the end.
All right. I lost my question. So, what is the biggest cruise ship in Celebrity's line?
Well, it's an Edge class, but I don't know if it's Edge, Beyond, or Apex. I'm gonna say Apex.
It's Beyond.
But how many? Is it 2910? Is that how many 2910 passengers?
The Beyond is 3260.
Oh,
Apex is 2910.
is that new?
Edge
Apex
is 2908. So yeah,
Wow.
it's their newest ship. So
Cruel.
you should have just went with the Beyond. We both know that was the latest.
Well, Apex is the newest.
I thought Beyond was the newest.
Apex.
Oops, I was wrong. So,
About to be.
but I won.
About to be what? What's the newest one about to come out? as I take my punishment from my breaking ship here. Then you must eat.
No, I don't. I already won. That was 5. I already won. See how competitive she is? I already won. So.
See a cent. Oh, wow. Painful.
Yeah, I bet. I really do feel bad because I know she just struggles with spicy food. So.
All right, well, we hope you enjoyed seeing us in some discomfort, although currently me more than well. But we'll do another one of these probably another month or so. Let us know what cruise line.
Can I give you the tiger pump? The tiger pump. Tiger Woods.
Let us know which cruise line you would like us to do next for our Trivia on Deck. And until next time, happy cruising.
Bye.